After opening Smart Plan 3D software, you are getting the same error like SPLM failed, connection timeout, or TCP mismatch error. So I will show you how to solve this error, and you can easily open the Smart Plan 3D software without any issue. So why this error is coming? Because our SP3D license is set on this IP address and our currently IP address is this. So if you match this IP address with this, then our problem will be solved. I will show you how can we do that. So for that, what we have to do, just we have to open this control panel, and here there is a one option. Before that, you have to note this IP address, so we need that one, and I will show you how you can find this actual IP address. So for that, just we have to open this Smart Plan License Manager and click here. So after opening Smart Plan License Manager, here we have to go to the scavenge option and select. Then we have to select this scavenge for keys. Okay. Then here you find your required IP address, and this is the current IP address. Okay. If you match this both, your software will work perfectly, and here the status will be changed after that. Okay. So you can also check my other video. I already uploaded 41 lectures, so this will be helpful all on the Smart Plan 3D admin part as well as modeling part. You can also visit that one also. Okay, so we will solve this error now. So for that, solving this error, we have to click on this control panel of your PC. Then we have to click here, view network and status tasks, and here you find your Wi-Fi on which your PC is connected, or you can click on this your network if you are using the wireless network, or you can use a wired network. Then also here showing the internet connection. Okay, detail. So we have to click on this. This is my Wi-Fi connected here. So now we have to click on this option, that is properties. Okay, click on this properties option. Then here we have to click on this internet protocol version 4 and select the properties. That's why this error is happening, because every time I change my Wi-Fi network, the IP address will change automatically. So we have to set the IP address at the exact what we require. So what IP address we require, that will be, I will show you. So I need this IP address. You can note this down. So this is required for the step. Okay. So now I will click and repeat again that all step. Yeah, here it is opening. So I will go to the properties, and here we have to click on this internet protocol version 4, go to the properties, and here so we require this IP address, keeping this mind 192.168. This is my software that is installed on this IP address. So I want to change. So how can I change? So I need to click on this use following IP address. Okay, so I have to type this 192.168.101.8. okay, same. Now after typing this, you have to just click here and click here. Okay, so no need to change that. And now we have to click on the OK. Okay, and now we have to close that one. Okay, just close that one, and you can cancel this. No need this. We will check again. So now we will see our IP address is changed or not. Just again click on this, go to the properties, and go to the internet protocol button, go to the property. So here now the IP address set to this one. Okay, just click on the OK. You can cancel this all step. Now again we have to go to the Smart Plan License Manager. Now just click on the yes, and here let's see the IP address is changed or not. Go to the scavenge, select, and again select this. So now here you find that TCP mismatch error will be get solved. Okay, now the error is not coming. Okay, also you can see here also you can go to the display and select show key status, and here the IP address is now this one. Okay, no issue with that. Now you can check and open your Smart Plan 3D license. Let's check that is working or not. Just I will click on Smart Plan 3D and just wait for some time to load this application. Okay, here you find the SP3D is working now. the error is solved. Okay, so in this way you can change the IP address and solve the TCP mismatch error successfully. I hope this video will be helpful to you guys, and also please subscribe this channel and check my other lectures on Smart Plan 3D. Thank you guys.